Hello, William Jummy here. So in this video, I'm going to add the combo animation, the final finisher I just created in my another channel. By the way, I got another channel called Learn Digital Arts with William Jummy, and just create animation like this. Because if you're new here, you're watching a series of videos of how I create semi-devlog, semi-tutorial about my Unity ARPG platformer game. Okay, so let me quickly catch you up. So basically, the game worked like this. Let me just move myself a little bit. Basically, the game worked like this. I already added this idle animation, jumping, falling animation, dash animation, all that, and we can like dash all the way to the wall. We can slide it down. We can do in the wall jump and then slide. Okay, wall jump. I can slide. Okay, wall jump and dash, like wall jump and dash, something like that. Okay, so I'm here, and yeah. So I'm also able to like single attack. Okay, single attack, and I can like combo attack, but I just create like a 2 animation, so I still think that it's still lacking some sort of impact. So in my another channel, I draw a finisher animation, and by the way, all this animation is kind of connected. So the last frame of the previous single basic attack animation is the first frame, or pretty similar to the first frame of last, so you can like quickly combine them together to work it as a combo. So yeah, so let's add this, and I'm going to show you how this project is like is kind of expandable. Okay, you can expand the project based on some simple idea that you have, and you can expand the project to make it more complex. Okay, so let me show you. So first, you're going to import the animation that I draw into the attack animation. So basic attack 1, 2, 3. Let me just name this 1. Okay, basic attack 1, basic attack 2, and then I'm going to just save a little bit of timing. Just basic attack 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That's brilliant. So double click just to select everything. You can safely just delete everything. Okay, how to delete? Yeah, here. Okay, doesn't really matter because we are going to import it from my Photoshop. So here, yeah, all this animation, and then we are going to create another state. Okay, yeah, sorry, I should just click this player animator. We can add a player basic attack animation 3. So player basic attack, then animation 3. Alright, so another animation. Oh, this should be inside of the animation, so sorry about that. Okay, I need to click the animator in order to switch to the 3, and I'm going to get all this inside here, preferably just 10 frame, and I'm going to go back to scene. I'm going to quickly test the result inside of the game engine. Yeah, by the way, if some of the thing seems blurry, I think I already make a specific video about this. You can make it point, okay, and apply, so it become pretty crystal clear about things. Okay, and I believe I also got some like, oh yeah, this is a point. Okay, let me quickly check things. Okay, bilinear. Okay, I'm going to make this point and then apply. Okay, let's quickly check. Dash, is it? Yeah, bilinear, sorry. Point, so it's much more clear. 4 point, that's good. Jump, point, good. Running, point, no filter, good. Start idle, point, no filter, good. And wall slide, Oh, we got another. So yeah, so I already changed everything, so it should get pretty clear about this. Okay, so once you are satisfied with the final finisher, you can add this in the animation. Okay, I'm going to just click and drag this animation inside. So animation, and where's the for basic attack animation 3? Yeah, here. So I'm going to use this combo counter. Remember, the enter is a combo count equal to 1. Okay, this is 0, 1, and then there will be 2. So make transition here. And let's add the list library to combo count to greater, not greater, it's just equal 0, 1, 2. So it's 2. And then the exit transition, got it here, and basic attack false, so the same as basic attack false. So basic attack false, then exit. Really simple. Do not have exit time, I believe, and setting all this need to be set to 0. Yeah, good. So do not have exit time, so snappy got 0. And I believe inside of the script, I believe it's attack. We got this basic attack state. Where is it? Basic attack state. Okay, here. Combo count start with 0, 1, 2, and all that. So if it, greater than 1 reset, right now greater than 2 reset. So 2 will be considered. Okay, let's save this and quickly to see, run this game to see whether this combo has been added to our game. And yeah, I think I forgot to add the last frame. Yeah, let's quickly check the animator. So at the basic attack 2, remember I add this event called animation trigger to actually trigger this. So I forgot to add this. Somewhere it's 15. Okay, so let's change that to 15. Let's go back to see the animation. What about that? Change that to 15. Okay, I want it to be impactful, so maybe 10. Okay, because that would be too quick. I want it to like linger a little bit. Okay, so at the end of here, I'm going to add event. Let's drag here. I want this to linger, and then exit. So method and trigger. Okay, so it will successfully trigger this. Let's test this out. Okay, so hopefully, if I continue to press, it will do the combo of at least 3, and it will be consecutive attack. So 1, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it seems a little bit laggy. Let's think that. 1, 2, 3. Why is the 1, 2, and 3 got a little bit laggy? Let's look at console. That's because. Okay, maybe because of the frame 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Why does like the last one got some of the stock here? Okay, animation. Okay, I'm going to debug this. 15. Oh, sample rate is different. Let me make this 15. Make it a little bit quicker and see whether it will solve the problem. Okay, still seems a little bit laggy. Okay, this is a bit laggy. So maybe because of the animation. Let's look at here. Let's check the animator. Seems to go back to the basic attack transition and then go to the basic attack animation. Okay, let me quickly debug this. Okay, same old mistake. The previous two do not have an exit time. Okay, this has an exit time, so it says not snappy. So it's not because of my code. Yeah, sometimes I focus too much on the code, and I think something wrong with the logic. And I check this, and it's turned out it's just the animator. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, let me just put down the water. Go back to sing. Okay, let's do that. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's good. 1, 2, 3. Pretty snappy. I love this. So 1. Okay, play around. 1. Okay, still 1. Or 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3. I think maybe this is a combo like this. Jump a little bit. Maybe jump a little bit and then going down. That's even much better. We will modify this later, but right now I think it's pretty good. Okay, look at how good this a little animation will be. Okay, pretty snappy. I love this. Let's go back here. Look at here. Okay, I love this combo. Pretty snappy. Still do not break anything else. That's good. Okay, still not breaking. Dash. Okay, dash attack. Okay, pretty good. But while I'm playing this, I think there's still something that seems a little bit off, because as if my player can slide. So 1, and then I can slide. Okay, I know it's really hard for me to describe this. So if you move forward and attack, it seems as if the player is not stopping. Okay, so it's like moving at a normal speed while doing all this attack. I want the player to be move and then attack, and then we'll stop here. Okay, doing all this attack. So stop here, doing attack, and then after all that, and then I'll stay and then move. So I don't want this glide forward, because I will make special dash attack for that. I don't want the normal attack to be moving, but I would move this a tiny little bit, even though a jump attack, because the last one should jump a little bit, maybe add some of the lingering shadow. We will talk about that later. Right now, I'm going to solve this problem. Okay, nearly 15 minutes. That's pretty good. I'm going to solve that in my next video. Okay, see you next time. And don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, so if you want to see how I create all this pixel art as well as animation, you can check out my another channel called Learn Digital Art. Okay, where I share all my journey of making all this asset, animation, and model for my coding, for my app as well as my game. Okay, so yeah, thanks, bye.